Hello, super learners. Welcome to another fun lesson. In our last lesson, we learned how to pronounce words which start with the SL, ST, SP, SN, SC, SM, and SW. Do you remember? Slab, slid, stop, stem, scan, sped, spin, and many others. Today we will learn 3 new special sounds: br, cr, and gr. These sounds are called consonant blends because the letters stick together when we say them. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's start with the br sound. Can you say br with me? Br, br, br. Great. Now let's try some words that begin with the br sound. The letter B sounds B and the letter R sounds R. When we stick them together, it says br. Now let's look at some words that begin with the br sound. Listen carefully. Br, a, g. Br, a, g. Brag. Br, a, br, a, bran. Br, a, t. Br, a, t. Brat. Br, I, br, I, brim. Br, e, d. Br, e, d. Bred. Great job, super learners. Now let's say the words again. Brag, bran, brat, brim, bred. Great job. Now let's practice reading with the br sound. Listen and repeat after me. The brat dog sat on a mat. The brat dog sat on a mat. The brat dog sat on a mat. The red hat has a big brim. The red hat has a big brim. The red hat has a big brim. Pam ran. Pam sped. Pam slid in. Pam ran. Pam sped. Pam slid in. Pam ran. Pam sped. Pam slid in. Did Papa brag? No, Papa did not brag. Did Papa brag? No, Papa did not brag. Did Papa brag? No, Papa did not brag. A brat can brag, but Titi did not brag a bit. A brat can brag, but Titi did not brag a bit. Fantastic! You're doing great! Now let's look at the cr sound. The letter C sounds k and the letter R sounds r. When we put them together, it makes the sound cr, 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 cr. Well done. Now let's look at some words that begin with the cr sound. Listen carefully. Cr, crab, 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 crag, 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 cram, cram, crib, 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 crop, crop, crop. Now let's say the words again. Crab, crag, cram, crib, crop. Well done. Now we're going to look at some sentences that have the cr sound. Listen and repeat after me. Nana had a nap in the crib. Nana had a nap in the crib. Nana had a nap in the crib. 10 men can cram in a big bus. 10 men can cram in a big bus. 10 men can cram in a big bus. The hut sat on a crag in Jos. The hut sat on a crag in Jos. The hut sat on a crag in Jos. A big crab sat on a wet spot. A big crab sat on a wet spot. A big crab sat on a wet spot. Wow, you did an amazing job learning the br and cr sounds today. Now we're going to move on to the gr sound. The letter G sounds g and the letter R sounds r. When we blend them together, we have gr, 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 gr. Now let's try some words with the gr sound. Grab, 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 gram, gram, grad, 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 greed, 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 green. Now let's go over them quickly. Grab, gram, grad, greed, grim. Keep practicing this word and sentences at home. The more you practice, the better you get at reading. See you next time, super learners. Bye for now.